In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off text hyphenation in Photoshop CC if your text is automatically splitting words with hyphens at the end of a line. Don't worry. This is a common formatting setting in Photoshop, and the good news is that it only takes a few clicks to fix. Once you turn it off, your paragraphs will look cleaner, smoother, and more professional, especially if you're working on designs with larger blocks of text. To get started, first select the text layer that you want to edit. Make sure you're working with the correct layer in your Layers panel, because the hyphenation setting will affect the selected text you're currently editing. Next, choose the Type tool and click into your text so that you're actively editing it. From there, highlight all of the text in that text box. You can do that quickly by pressing Ctrl and A on Windows, or Command and A on Mac while the text is active. This ensures the formatting change applies to all of the text, not just part of it. Once your text is selected, go up to the top menu and click Window, then choose Paragraph. This will open the Paragraph panel, which contains several text formatting options related to alignment, spacing, and hyphenation. If you don't usually work with text settings in Photoshop, this is one of the key panels to know. In the Paragraph panel, look near the bottom for the checkbox labeled Hyphenate. If that box is checked, that means Photoshop is currently allowed to break words at the end of lines using hyphens. To turn that off, simply uncheck the box. As soon as you do that, Photoshop will immediately stop inserting those automatic hyphens into your paragraph text. You should see the text reflow naturally, without words being split across lines. This can make your layout feel much cleaner and easier to read, especially in professional graphics, presentations, social media designs, or any project where polished typography matters. And that's all there is to it. Once hyphenate is turned off, your text will flow normally without those unwanted word breaks. If this quick Photoshop tip helped you, be sure to like, subscribe, and check out my other Photoshop tutorials for more easy tips and tricks.